Didi, I could not clear my IP mat. What should I do now? This is the message that I've been getting for the last few weeks, and today I'm going to give you a practical answer to that. A quick reminder before we start: rejection is not the end, it is the beginning of a new selection. Now, let's dive into what actually you can do. Option 1 is online programs. If you still want to go for IIM or IIT tags, you can opt for one of the following. The first one is IIM Bangalore's BBA DBE program. It is a structured program that gives you the flexibility of pursuing your studies along with internships or skill building programs, etc. You can check out the fees and other details on their website. The second option is the IIT Madras BS in Data Science program. This is one of the best online programs in India right now. It's a 4-year BS program along with exit options at all of its 3 levels, that is the foundation level, the diploma level, and the degree level. It's fully online and beginner friendly, so you do not need a strong background in mathematics or coding to be there. The IIT Madras name adds value. The third option is IIT Madras BS in Management program. It follows a similar structure with 3 levels. If your interests are more management and business centric, this is the program for you. Since it's from the same institute, it carries a similar weightage. The fourth one is IIM Udaipur's online degree program. It also offers a structured program focused on management and business. It's a good alternative if you only want an IIM tag. Check the curriculum and duration separately for this program. The fifth option is the IIM Jammu's eBBA. It is another IIM tagged option. Let me be upfront. The fees of this particular program is on the higher side as compared to the other programs. So first sit with your parents, discuss whether it is in your budget. Don't just go for the tag. Choose it because the numbers make sense for your family. Alongside whichever degree you choose, build real world experience. That is what will actually set you apart. Look for internships related to any field you're curious about, even if they are small or unpaid initially. Use LinkedIn, Internshala, or even direct company websites to find them. If you're in a metro city, use that advantage. Reach out to companies near you and ask for a chance to intern or shadow some, even if it is for a few weeks. Build a simple LinkedIn profile. Write clearly about who you are, what you know, and exactly what you're learning. Message people or companies directly. Keep the messages short and honest. Also invest time in improving your communication skills. How clearly you explain your thoughts, how confidently you speak in interviews and meetings directly impact all the opportunities that we've discussed till now. Continue your degree program and alongside it, in year 1 and 2, prepare yourself with internships, skill building, and networking. In third year, shift your focus to CAT preparation. By combining an online degree program along with internships, cold outreach experience, and strong communication skills, your profile will be better than most of the candidates appearing for CAT. So to summarize, your degree options are IIM Bangalore BBA DBE program, IIT Madras BS in Data Science program, IIT Madras BS in Management, IIM Udaipur online degree program, and IIM Jammu eBBA. Compare them based on your interest and budget. Alongside your degree, build real-world experience through internships, research, and cold outreach. Work on your communication skills. Pivot towards CAT in your third year.